The first goods train in India, written by Sri Mahesh Sharma, published in the year 2025. The first goods train in India rolled on railway track between Roorkee and Kalyar Piran in Uttar Pradesh, now Uttarakhand, on December 22, 1851. The shortest route on rails and the smallest goods train with only two wagons, the freight carrier also turned out to be of the shortest life of any locomotive as it was discontinued following an accident after 9 months in which its engine had caught fire. December 22, 1851 became a historic moment for India as it marked the beginning of railway operation in the country about 16 months before April 16, 1853, when the nation's first passenger train ran for a distance of 34 kilometers from Boribandar to Thane. The train covered a distance of about 10 kilometers in almost 38 minutes. Starting of the first goods train during the regime of the British government in India is also important. It was focused on expediting the Ganga Canal project by transporting large quantities of clay and other building materials. As the British wanted to complete the Ganga Canal project fast and finish construction of Solani aqueduct within a stipulated period, it was decided to run a goods train and make transportation of materials easier and faster. The British had imported an engine and two wagons from England for the purpose of running the maiden freight carrier on rails. Interestingly, the engine deployed for running the first goods train in India was the first of a class of 10 steam engines named after Jenny, a famous Swedish opera singer of those times. Though the Jenny met its fate within 9 months of its launch in India and the train was discontinued henceforth with, the event paved the foundation for further establishment of a network of railways for running passenger trains. Seed of most economical transportation of goods and carrying passengers was in fact sown and nurtured between Roorkee and Kalyar Piran on December 22, 1851. The day is also significant for the agriculture of India as the goods train had played a key role in timely completion of a highly important historical irrigation system in India, that is the Ganga Canal project. Thank you very much.